In this video, let me show you how to connect Shazam to Spotify automatically. Now, if you're trying to sync up Spotify with Shazam and all of your library to be available in Spotify, what you can simply do is head over to the library section. Once you're inside, head over to the settings option or the gear icon that is being displayed on the top left. Once you're inside, scroll down and under music app preferences, you'll be able to see the option which says default music app. You can simply tap on this option. Make sure you select the Spotify option. In order for the Spotify application to be visible inside of this section, you'll need to have Spotify installed and logged in. So what you can do is simply tap on the Spotify option and tap on set default. Now what you'll get a option which says sync Shazam library to Spotify. You simply need to tap on the turn on sync option. And there you go, the stage syncing process will now start. You can simply tap on agree and both of these platforms will be now instantly connected. All of your library that is available on Shazam will be automatically imported inside of your Spotify as well. So by following this exact process, you can connect your Shazam to Spotify automatically. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.